Hey everybody, Jem Schofield here with the C47 and another episode of Gearbox. It's early in the morning, getting ready for a silly little shoot. Still have to flag off some green screen spill, but something I'm doing with a buddy of mine. We shot a while ago we shot for an entire month in Scotland for a travel show concept, and we're now going to do a little promo for that because we're going to sort of, I don't know if I would say resurrect it, but we're going to sort of really put attention on that project and get it off the ground. So this is kind of a silly thing. I'm not a huge fan of doing green screen stuff, but it should be fun for what we're doing. And the real difference, and I'll put a link here to some of the other green screen stuff that I've done in the past, is that I'm just hanging up there one 4-foot fluorescent fixture, and I'm hanging it this way as opposed to vertically, so it's horizontal. And I've done some test keys and it works fine. I've got two Diva lights here to light us, and then I'll probably wind up using the neutral picture style in the 5D Mark II. This is definitely something that I could shoot with an EX1 or any small chip camera because we want it to be sharp, and shallow depth of field is not what I'm looking for. And as far as us right here, I'm shooting at a 640 at a 30th, so I can get a little bit more light out of it. And I'm doing that so that I can keep us at a 5.6 so we can move around just a little bit. So there you go. So I am actually going to post this today. I wasn't going to have an episode today, but I'm going to run in and make sure that the audio is okay. We're just going right into a little Rode VideoMic Pro into the 5D Mark II. It's a pretty controlled environment. It'll feel a little live, but we're going to be silly and kind of be outside in Scotland anyway. So we'll probably just throw a back plate of a photograph and just a Gaussian blur. And again, it's not going to be perfect, but the whole idea is supposed to be a little bit silly. And that's it. So maybe later on we'll do a two-shot of Ron and I, and that'll be today's episode. I have a lot of stuff to talk to you guys about, and I'm going to actually send you to another link, not just the old green screen stuff, but I'm going to send you a link to dpreview.com. This is the beginning of round 2, and I think that in some respects that the new VG20 camera from Sony is definitely worth talking about. Not something that's going to be anywhere in the same area as some of the higher end cameras or camcorders, but I haven't had any coffee, by the way, so I'm a little but now we have a $1,600 camcorder that has an APS size sensor that shoots 24p and 60p. So that is new stuff. That is something that we haven't seen before in that form factor. Something that is, little handheld camcorder, and arguably better ergonomics than the FS100, though lacking a lot of the features that camera has. So there you go. Also has AVC HD 2.0, by the way, in that new VG20, which will be what I think we'll see in a lot of the cameras in the future. Ekes out a few more megabits, which can make a big difference with these codecs. And I'll see you guys next time on Gearbox.